Welcome, souls who feel the strings being pulled. If this reading found you, it's no accident. We're diving into February 20th to 25th, 2026, the charged aftershock of the Aquarius solar eclipse. That eclipse ripped open hidden truths and set karmic wheels spinning. Aquarius still rules: cold clarity, sudden knowing, innovation in emotions. Saturn-Neptune conjunction on the 20th adds heavy, fated layer. Dreams meet reality. Old illusions dissolve. People face what they always knew deep down. This exact 6-day pocket is when suppressed urges break free. If you've sensed their energy lingering, the cards scream, they always knew they'd reach out this week. The proof is in the spread. Breathe slow. Feel the pull. Center your mind. Question: did they always know they'd text you February 20th to 25th? What proof shows the inevitability in the cards? Deck in hands. Shuffling deliberately, channeling the eclipse afterglow plus Saturn-Neptune vibe, fate, inevitability, quiet certainty. Focusing on their inner world, past knowing, current realization, trigger that forces the move. Cards drawn, vibe for full picture, past deep knowing, current hidden certainty, trigger for outreach, incoming text details, outcome and final proof. First card, past deep knowing, the High Priestess, mystery and inner wisdom. She sits between pillars, veil behind her hiding secrets. Upright High Priestess is intuition, subconscious knowing, things felt but unspoken. In the past, they always knew, on some soul level, this connection wasn't done. They felt the pull, ignored it or buried it, but the knowing never left. Eclipse energy revives her veil lifting. Saturn-Neptune makes always new literal. They carried this certainty quietly, like a secret they couldn't admit even to themselves. Second card, current hidden certainty, the Hermit reversed, isolation turning outward. Upright Hermit is inner search, reversed is coming out of retreat, sharing what was hidden. Right now, February 20th to 25th window, the certainty bubbles up. They can't stay silent anymore. Aquarius detachment cracks under Saturn-Neptune pressure. I always knew I'd have to face this. Hidden state, private reflection peaks, obsession with what if turns to I have to. They knew all along, now the knowing demands action. Third card, trigger for outreach, wheel of fortune, fate turns, major arcana cycle, destiny shift, luck or karma spinning. The trigger this week, cosmic wheel lands on now. Eclipse afterglow plus Saturn-Neptune conjunction spins the wheel. Sudden realization hits. The time is right. I always knew it would come to this. Wheel says inevitability, no fighting fate. Trigger combines external sign, song, memory, number with internal push. They knew, wheel confirms, text happens. So far, deep subconscious knowing, High Priestess, meets current breaking silence, Hermit Rev. Fate wheel triggers the move, Wheel of Fortune. Proof builds. They always knew, cards show the thread from past to now. Early signs they always knew and will text this week. You feel unexplained calm about them suddenly. Their name or symbols appear 3+ times a day. Dreams show them reaching out clearly. Gut whispers, it's inevitable. Random synchronicities feel too perfect. Fourth card, incoming move, Page of Cups. Gentle, intuitive messenger. The page brings creative, emotional news, a soft text, voice note, or DM full of feeling. In February 20 to 25, it lands as something heartfelt but simple. Hey, I couldn't stop thinking about you. Or a memory share. Page is young energy, impulsive, honest, no games. Saturn-Neptune conjunction on the 20th makes it feel fated. They always knew this moment would come. The page confirms the text is coming this week exactly as the knowing predicted. Fifth card, outcome and proof, judgment, major arcana awakening, trumpet calls, souls rise, rebirth. Outcome, the text arrives, brings clarity, renewal, or closure. They always knew they'd reach out. Judgment proves it was karmic, inevitable. No drama, just truth surfacing. Proof in cards. High priestess, subconscious knowing. To hermit rev, hidden certainty breaking. To wheel, fate turns. To page, message delivers. To judgment, final awakening. The spread screams. They knew all along, universe timed it for this exact week. Full tie-in, deep inner knowing, high priestess, hidden silence until now, hermit rev. Fate wheel spun the trigger, wheel of fortune. Gentle text arrives, page of cups. Everything awakens to truth, judgment. February 20th to 25th is the window. Eclipse, afterglow, plus Saturn-Neptune made the inevitable happen. They always knew they'd reach out. Cards prove it step by step. What their always new energy looks like daily this week. Late nights scrolling your profile, typing drafts they never send. Until now. Feeling a quiet pull they can't explain. Random guilt or nostalgia waves. Thinking this was always going to happen. Full shocking signs. The text is coming February 20th to 25th. Their name appears 3+ times in one day. Notifications, songs, combos. Unexplained calm or excitement hits gut. Dreams show them texting or talking clearly. Repeating numbers spike. 1111 2222 444 777. Shared memories pop up randomly. Photos, places. You feel their energy close like they're thinking hard. Songs with lyrics about returning play back to back. Old inside jokes or references show up out of nowhere. Phone notifications feel charged before checking. Sudden urge to check your messages. Synchronicities double up. Number plus memory, same hour. Feeling it's done before it happens. No anxiety, just quiet knowing. Universe sends small confirmations non-stop. Text comes when you least force it. Extended advice for February 20th to 25th. One key action daily. Post content, set up AI tool, outreach. Don't chase, mirror their knowing with your own detachment. Affirm 3 times per day. They always knew text arrives this week perfectly. Log every sign in phone notes. Builds proof fast. Cold mindset, hungry, grateful, zero emotion, swings. Use Aquarius energy. Innovate. Stay detached. No overthinking. Trust the card's proof. Celebrate quietly when it lands. Keep pushing for more. Affirmation. They always knew they'd reach out. The universe timed it perfectly. February 20th to 25th brings the text with ease. I stay open, detached, aligned. So it is. If this reading hit your core, like, subscribe, bell on. Comment they knew to claim. Drop sign or next focus below. Love, money, shifts. Thanks for being here. Stay aligned. The week is charged. Move wisely. End full script.